Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stash a getaway vehicle in GTA 5. First, select a car that offers both speed and durability for your escape. Next, find a secluded spot, like an alley or an underground parking garage, to park your vehicle. Make sure it's easily accessible for a quick getaway after your mission. Finally, ensure your chosen vehicle is fully repaired and upgraded with maximum armor and engine enhancements for optimal performance. Preparing your getaway car is crucial for a successful escape. Start by customizing your vehicle with dark window tints to make it harder for authorities to identify you. Next, invest in bulletproof tires. These are essential for avoiding blowouts during high-speed chases. Finally, ensure your engine is fully upgraded to give you the best possible acceleration and top speed, helping you outrun the police. Strategic parking is key to a smooth escape. Always park your getaway vehicle close to your mission objective, but ensure it's out of direct line of sight to avoid detection. Multi-story parking garages are excellent choices, offering quick access and good cover. Remember to avoid busy intersections or areas with heavy pedestrian traffic, as these can hinder your escape and draw unwanted attention. Once your objective is complete, quickly switch to your stashed getaway vehicle. Drive immediately to a safe house or a mod shop to effectively lose your wanted level. Remember, a well-prepared escape plan significantly increases your chances of success in any mission. For more tips and other great deals, check the description below for links, including those for making meal prep easy with leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.